Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We're doing our third unboxing for the new Lego VIDIYO minifigures series 1. So, there's still a couple we need that we haven't found yet. So we bought some more. Okay, let me cut it open.
I want to open it. Okay.
What are you gonna do in here? Let me cut it open. There's one.
I'll cut mine open,
and then Jackson picked this one. So far I have not found a way to identify what's on the inside. So
I got the Cowboy.
Yep, so the first one's a duplicate.
I got the duplicate.
Cowboy. So we already have that one.
We got a new one. We got the genie. I'll get my genie.
Here's the genie. Oh, that's pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and build this one and show you what it looks like. So here's what the genie looks like. She has a little tambourine. And I like the pastel colors. Very pretty. Some printing on the back. So there's that one. Okay, we'll pick two more to open. Let me cut them. Which one did you pick? You want that one?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the ice cream.
Yes, we're looking for the ice cream one.
Or the wolf. Or the...
Yeah, we don't have that one. And we kind of need an extra shark because that's so far been the favorite and everyone wants that one. So we haven't found the ice cream guy. We want at least two of him. All right, we got another duplicate.
Oh, I got ice cream.
Wow.
I'm gonna get ice cream.
That's super exciting. We got the ice cream guy who's probably one of the favorites for the kids. We still need
I don't want to get that.
the cheerleader girl and the Wolverine. So he is really awesome. He almost has like a gingerbread man like top on, then like waffle pants, cherry on his head, comes with a saxophone, and the bricks are some of my favorites probably. The cupcakes and the little running cat.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
All right, let's open some more.
I picked this one.
You want that one?
I can sometimes refuse my sneezes from going.
Let's go me. I got check.
Okay, there's one for Raylan. That one's yours. Let's see what's in here. There we go. We got a bug guy, alien guy. So that is a duplicate.
I got a duplicate.
Which one did you get?
I got this.
This one is the one that looks like Garmadon. So those are two more duplicates. All right, we got a couple more. Which ones do we want to open?
This one.
Whoa, be careful.
I'll open this one.
That one, okay, Raylan wants this one. And Jackson wants this one. Let's see. So we were able to find like a pretty full box at Target, so we got all from one side. So hopefully it's like the full set, but we'll see. These are $4.99 at Target. Raylan got another bunny. Okay, so we did get a duplicate.
I got an alien.
And another alien, so two duplicates from that one. All right, what else we got? Here's two more here. We're gonna go ahead and open those.
I'm gonna pick.
All right, there's yours. Here's one, Raylan. This one's open. See how many we have left. I think we only have two more left. These two, I think, are the last ones.
I picked this one.
The Cheetah.
This one.
Yeah, it's already cut open. So this is a duplicate from yesterday, the Cheetah. And Raylan got a shark! Yay! She wanted another shark, so that they both have one and won't fight over it. He's very cool. Love the mohawk. Lots of great colors. Okay, so these are the last two. So we hope one's at least a Wolverine. I think that's the one we want the most next.
And the ballerina.
Yeah, a little cheerleader girl. We don't have her yet. Here, so let's open this one.
Oh,
Take it out.
It's something. It is. Oh!
Yay! Wolf. A Wolverine. Definitely wanted him. All right.
I got ice cream.
And a duplicate.
Ice cream. I got ice cream.
A duplicate ice cream, which is what we wanted. So the only one we didn't get is the cheerleader girl, which I'm not completely heartbroken with because we got two of these, two sharks. We wanted those, so let's put them together. And here's the Wolverine. I love this brick. But then I thought they were all supposed to be unique bricks that came with each minifigure, but this is the same cat one that our ice cream person came with. And then in our duplicate ice cream person, he came with a couple, well, the one tile I think is different, yeah. So instead of getting the cat, he got like a tomato smashed type brick. So that's kind of interesting. But yeah, these unlock different pieces in the game, different aspects of the videos that you can create. We played around with it a little bit so far, kind of cool. And of course you can buy the more expensive little like cubes as well. But we collect minifigures, so we wanted to get some of these. So if you want to see other Lego videos, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.